Hello YouTube, we have another episode of leftover food. Today is meatloaf and potatoes. And the thing I did was I took 2 pieces of sourdough bread. I put butter on here and warmed it in the pan. So you want to do that with the type of bread that you want. And then we're going to take this meatloaf and potatoes, warm it up in the pan, and then we're going to make an incredible sandwich. Alright YouTube, so it doesn't take long to make the sandwich. We're going to put the meatloaf in the pan, and then we're going to put the potatoes in there. And then we're going to warm that and just put the sandwich together quickly. But this is something to show you how to use leftover food. Alright YouTube, so we have the meatloaf in there. We're just going to keep turning that, and then we're going to flip it. The idea is just to warm it. We have the potatoes in there. You got butter on top, and we're just going to move that around. Keep your pan on either low or medium, and it's up to you what you want done. You could add like garlic salt and other things to here if you want. It's all up to you. Alright YouTube, so it only takes a couple minutes to do that. If you notice, I put butter in there. That's going to add to the sandwich. So turn your your pan off, and then we're going to build a sandwich. Alright YouTube, so I love mustard on my meatloaf, so I'm going to put mustard on the bottom, and I like a lot of mustard, and I'm going to add the meatloaf next. Look how the potatoes came out. Alright YouTube, so we have the mustard down. Let's put the meatloaf next. Alright, so we got the meatloaf, and we're going to want to put that on the sandwich. So take the other piece and put that on there. Alright, so we have that meatloaf down. So then take your buttery mashed potatoes and stick that on there. So you're going to want to put all the potatoes on there. If you want it, you could also put gravy on here, or you could have left the mayonnaise out, the mustard out, and put gravy on the whole thing. Alright, so we have that down there. Next we're going to want to do is put some pepper on there, and then just top it off. And there's your meatloaf sandwich from leftovers. Alright YouTube, so there's your leftover meatloaf and mashed potato sandwich on bread that was toasted in butter. If you like these type of recipes, leftovers, and different things to try, even if they're old recipes, please subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get like 4 uploads every week. So you be safe, and see you soon. Dansoy. Bye-bye.